Stop letting fine lines take the lead. With retinol, you can command your skin's future. Here's how to do it right. Ever notice signs of aging like wrinkles, sunspots, or dull skin? That's your cue for retinol, a powerhouse ingredient derived from vitamin A. Originally a hero for acne, retinol swiftly claimed fame for its remarkable anti-aging benefits, boosting collagen and speeding up cell turnover. Starting with retinol, begin low and go slow. Kick off with concentrations as mild as 0.01% and never exceed 1.00%. Even at low doses, your skin reaps incredible benefits while minimizing reactions. Here's a nighttime tip. Retinol is light sensitive. Applying it at night avoids deactivation by sunlight and reduces skin sensitivity. Plus, sandwich it with moisturizer. Apply a layer, then retinol, and finish with another layer of moisturizer, ideally with hyaluronic acid to combat dryness. Don't forget your SPF during the day. And remember, consistency is key. Give it at least 3 months to see transformative results. And very important, avoid mixing vitamin C and retinol directly. Alternate their use to keep your skincare routine safe and effective. Last tip, patience, my friend. Stay dedicated, and your skin will thank you with a youthful, radiant glow.